and we're doing our physics project, and our topic is how does a synthesizer produce a realistic sound?
And we'll be going to Asian One Studios and talk to a professional there about. He'll explain us about how synthesizers work and how it does stuff, and then we'll go to Circuit City because we're kind of short on money. We can't buy our own synthesizer, and so we'll show you what synthesizers look there if they don't like kick us out or anything. So we'll see you in a little bit when we get to Asia One Studios.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
To ask some professional guy how a synthesizer produces a realistic sound. Yeah.
So, okay, and we'll have this professional come in and
he's gonna explain to us.
Right
now he's not here, so we're just kind of fooling around.
Yeah, and so we'll get back to you as soon as he comes. All right, thanks.
Stop.
Okay, we're going to describe the control panel on first. Thank you. Okay, look, this is where they control the microphones, and when you're talking to the mic, you put the volume up and stuff, that. Ooh, whoops. I just messed it up. Oops. Okay. Anyways, yeah, that's what you do. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, this is the CD. Like, we're playing a CD right now, so this is like controls the volume. See, listen. Let's stop. Okay, that's good. And what's that? CAS.
Cassette. C. Tape player.
Yeah. Like you put.
Man, shut up. That's not it. Look, these are cards, right? See right here? And you put them in here, okay? These are the cards. You can put music on them, whatever. People talking. You just stick them in here when you don't want to talk. Okay, we're kind of getting off the topic, but anyways, there's this guy that's going to come, and we're just trying to waste time because he's not here yet. And so we're going to... Shut up! He's going to come, and he's going to explain to y'all about the physics of how synthesizers produce realistic sounds. Okay, thanks.
Okay, one more thing to add. This, as we already mentioned, is a control panel, and in order to put the synthesizer sound on air, we have to use this.
Hi.
And so like, okay, unfortunately we don't have a synthesizer here, but let's say if we did, and in order to make that sound for everyone to hear on air, then we have to use this thing.
Yeah, it goes through this.
And there's a part missing, but that's okay.
And hold on, our wonderful video cam person. Janice, here we go. Wow. Janice.
And then we also have some guests here. We also have.
Okay, we have a professional with us here.
Yeah, and his name is Cho Won.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah. If you want to make like different changes of sound and all that, well, you can actually use a synthesizer of this machine here. And you can slide up and down to make like different pitches and different, say like if you want to make a female voice to be a male voice, or even like vice versa, or whatever. Actually, the way to work it out is because they have a chip inside there, and which would change the wave of the sound, and to make that like compact that, to make that like faster and slower and all that stuff. So the pitch also would make the difference of the sound of the voice. So that's why a male voice can become a female voice and vice versa, and that's how it works. And a synthesizer can also mimic like different sounds, such as like a car, say like a car crash, then that could work, or starting with a car and all that type of noise. You can have that too with a synthesizer, pretty easy. And that's pretty much whatever you can think of. You can make up that sound with a synthesizer.
You know how the sound actually comes out of the synthesizer?
Oh, okay, yes. That could be actually putting all different notes together, like a piano with the string and all that, with the vibrating, and all that to make up the sound. That we are just converting the whole thing into a computer, into an electronic, device, and that's all. And with a speaker, and the vibrating, and all that stuff is actually through the speaker instead of a string, and that's pretty much like the physics stuff here.
Wow, that's really interesting.
We're kind of short on time right now, so we're gonna stop right here.
Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, I have to go back to my show anyway. So yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
synthesizers.
These are synthesizers.
Look, produced.
Yeah, be closer. You hear sounds.
Different sounds. See, they're producing different sounds.
And in a
These are realistic
couple
sounds.
minutes, we'll tell you how exactly it produces the sound.
We'll try at the end after we go to Studio 1. I mean Asia 1. See, it produces different sounds. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We just wanted to show you that.
Circa synthesizer.
Synthesizers. Workers.